That's a question millions have asked.
43% of full-time employees say they have a job outside of their primary work.
And it's easy to see why. Everyone could use a little something extra at the end of the month.
By 2027, it's estimated that more than 86.5 million Americans will take part in the gig economy.
Maybe you want to own your own business, or perhaps you're working towards a goal. Those are just a few of the reasons that thousands of people just like you have turned to Ambit Energy for an opportunity to earn a little extra income. Ambit burst onto the scene in 2006 and powered its way to more than $1 billion in revenue in just 6 years. The company's success and growth attracted a lot of attention from the media and others in the energy industry. This success also attracted the attention of another visionary company with a tradition of excellence reaching back more than a century, Vistra, a Fortune 300 company. The two companies began talking and discovered they shared a number of core values, including integrity and a customer-centric approach. Now, Ambit is part of premier integrated energy company with the stability and experience to better meet the needs of its customers and consultants.
Okay, guys, you want growth? You wouldn't think you could get an utility, but an unregulated utility based in Texas that just moved into the Northeast, that company's going to give you growth.
The company continues to grow and succeed by helping entrepreneurially minded people take advantage of the ongoing deregulation of the energy market. Before deregulation, you had one energy company and one choice. Today, customers have the right to choose their own energy provider based on their needs, and that's meant more options. Companies must compete on value, sustainability, innovation, service, and support. This transfer of wealth is happening right now. By teaming with Ambit, you can earn income 3 different ways. By referring customers to Ambit, you can earn bonuses and potentially eliminate your own energy usage charges through our free energy program. You can earn leadership bonuses by putting together a team of people like you who want to refer their own customers. And finally, you can earn monthly income by maintaining the customers you and your team refer. Best of all, there are no products to inventory, and Ambit handles the billing and payments. All you have to do is provide something that people need and use every day: energy. And with Ambit's technology and tools, any income earned goes straight from Ambit to your bank account. So, think about where you are in life. Think about who you'd like to spend more time with and do more for. Then, think about whether it would be helpful to make a little extra money to make all that happen. And if you're interested in starting an Ambit business, talk to the person who sent you this video to learn more.